like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이
I just got back from the gym. Wanted to record me getting out of my rut phase. I just got back from the gym. I'm so sorry. But I will sit down with you guys maybe at the end of this video or just like explain everything. But basically, let me just explain everything then. Basically, I had a full-time job, but I just finished it last week. Yeah, it's a week ago, more than a week. But I don't know, I felt like that was my whole life, which shouldn't be, which is why we need to get out of a rut phase. And everything's like so disorganized. Like my apartment has never been this worst in terms of everything, but I think I'm just overreacting. But it's just really me trying to get organized with everything. I don't really want to pressure myself, but I am gonna make my breakfast and then clean at the same time. So you guys are coming with me because we need to organize stuff. So I recently have started going to the gym. I think just a week ago, because my mental health wasn't it at its best state. So that was it. I think I should start with at least protein oats. Yeah, we should do that. What I am doing with my life right now, I am trying to lose weight, body fat. I did lose a bit when I was stressed. I think I lost 5 kilos in 2 weeks, which is really bad. Because usually in a week you should at least just, I think maximum should really be, why am I opening this? Should really be 1.2 kilos if I'm not mistaken, or like just 1 kilo per week. But I lost 5 kilos in 2 weeks. So imagine how stressed I am. I'm not saying like something bad. I mean, just as a disclaimer, I'm not dissing any of my past company or something. We ended well, but it's just probably me and my mindset and the way everything ended unexpectedly. Yeah, I just don't want any like bad blood. I still am grateful for the company I work with, but I think also it wasn't healthy for my mindset already. I think it wasn't healthy for me because of how big my responsibility was. I tried to handle it, but at the same time, I don't think it was healthy enough for me, and I wasn't really sure if I wanted the job. But yeah, but I guess it was also just me, just like a sign for me to try to rest, because I've been working with them for like 3 years, even before I started my I'm trying, do you see my flaps? Even before I graduated uni, I started working with them already. Started as a freelancer and I ended up as a full-time worker. Yeah, but that's done. I've learned a lot of lessons. I am still learning a lot of lessons, but yeah, I'm just gonna prepare and I'll sit down with you all when I have the time. But I really just want to finish reorganizing stuff in the morning, because in the evening I feel like I'm so tired. I just don't want to move in the evening. That's the thing. So yeah, I just hope you guys stay there. I will be back.
아직도 난 격이 흐릿하게 떠 의미하겠나 yeah. 아니 자주 난 어제 일처럼 선명하겠나 yeah. 너의 흔적
So today I am actually like just having an onboarding meeting. It's not onboarding. The prospect client said they want to update us. They want to update me with where they are right now since they are a startup. So I was thinking I should vlog it for you guys, but today was actually a Saturday and I just fixed everything that I can fix for the business just so our workflows are better. And there's still a lot of things that we need to do. I need to do because I can't just like give it to my employees or those that work for me because I'm the boss. I need to know like how our workflows are, and I feel like I have more time right now in terms of just really like working on my stuff. I think that's one thing. I am gonna edit. I feel like the more you set up systems and workflows and people can probably follow it, that's when you know you have an effective business and how you can scale it more to a bigger one than you trying your best to get all the clients just so you because you want to earn, but not having the right systems will mess up everything, and I don't want to do that because I've done that 3 years ago and it was a mess. And I don't want to do that this time, so I've learned my lesson. I need to set up systems just so everybody can be in place and everybody can have a peaceful mind when it comes to work on how everything goes. Yeah, so I think that's a tip for like companies or brands that is like, especially on a creative industry like marketing. We design a lot of stuff. We have a lot of clients to do. We have a lot of reels. We have a lot of stuff to really like edit, and losing like not having a workflow, I think is the worst thing that you could ever give a client, yourself, and your employees. So just one tip. Basically, what I did today was I scheduled.
You got me overthinking here where we could be. Needed some clarity. I'm in too deep now. Can't help but picture fantasies. Just you and me, like it's meant to be. Can't you see, baby? You got me overthinking. Come closer to my body. A delicate touch.
God, I got Karen. Just like egg. Oh, God.
Curiosity has got me only wondering if this'll be alright. I want you